2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, just a little over 35,000 actual miles is all in this car. Tried and true 5.7 liter LS1 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4L60E automatic with overdrive trans. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Heat blows hot, AC blows cold. Take a look at this front fascia. Paint in nice shape on this one. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures on this car, you're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, every angle of the car, top up, top down, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can check out the still pictures. If you're watching this video on YouTube, down below in the comments there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels, BF Goodrich radials. I did notice in the glove box behind these wheel kind of cap covers, lug covers I guess if you will, there is a locking socket, so that is in the glove box. You may find a locking wheel nut on there. Take a look down the passenger side. You can see this car is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, the white exterior, neutral or tan interior, that matches the top. Three-piece parade boot. That comes with the carrying case that is in the trunk. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. And before this video is over, I'm going to show you that top going up and down. We'll check out the condition of it. Interior of this car is also in very nice shape. I'll get around to the driver's side, show you that a little bit closer. First, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust, deck lid, paint in the rear bumper, all also good. It's also going to come with a car cover. Of course, power top, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all your modern equipment you're going to get on a later model car. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side of this car. Of course, this would be a 35th anniversary edition of the Camaro. If you're into Camaros, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Vehicles uploaded daily, their videos anyway. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase off our website or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Just the other day I did a Camaro RSSS 1969. So like I said, if you're a Camaro fan, go ahead and check out and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Look it over. And as you can see, seats in nice shape. Start with the door panels, armrests, clean, not cracked, really showing much wear at all. Power windows, locks, mirror. Power seat over here on the driver's side. Take a look at the condition of the seat. A little bit of just natural wear from the leather hide on the bolster there. Nothing major. Again, you can see those back seats. Not really showing much wear at all either. You'll be able to check those out in the still pictures. Steering wheel controls for the radio. Of course, cruise control and tilt column over on the side of the steering column. AM, FM, CD player. Let's go ahead and fire this up. A little aftermarket exhaust note, sounds like. You can see the exact miles there. Turn up the brightness a little bit. There we go. 35,088. Hopefully you make that out. Right over here. There we go. 35,088. No check engine lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Just the put your seatbelt on, since I don't have that on. Good sounding car. Like I said, it's got a little aftermarket exhaust note to it. Dash looks good. Mentioned earlier, AM, FM, CD player, stereo working. Of course, power top switch down here. Monsoon stereo too, so good sounding stereo system. flip around to the back so you can hear this. This is a good sounding car. Nice, deep, throaty exhaust. Got it like that. I'm going to pop this hood and take a peek at the engine bay. Stick around to the very end too after we take a peek at this convertible top. Jason's going to take this car for a drive. If I can get this one-handed or not. There we go. Underside of the hood. Nice shape. Hood struts working as they should. There it is. That LS1 power. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Battery just a little over, what, 2 years old. Battery good shape. Clean, tidy engine bay. No surprises on this one, folks. All right, tell you what, let me get that three-piece parade boot off, which is very simple. And tell you what, if you're missing a piece on these, I believe they're getting harder and harder to find, so it's nice having color matched three-piece convertible top cover for that. And then, like I said, the case that you put those pieces in is in the trunk. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Let me get that off. We'll get the top up. I'm going to show you how it works. Check out the condition. Just give me a second. We'll take a peek. All right, as you can see, top functions as it should. Have it latched up nice and tight above the windshield. So kind of a tan or camel colored fabric. I'd probably say it's a vinyl. Fabric to vinyl. Nice durable fabric, no doubt about that. Side glass rolled up. Nice fit there. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes. Rear glass, nice and clear. Electronic rear defogger. Around to the passenger side. No rips, tears, holes over here either. And side glass rolled up. It's nice. Needed to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to work just fine. I will show it going back down here at the very end of this video. And remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive, so stick around a little bit longer. 2002 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible, just a little over 35,000 miles is all. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2002 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a convertible and we do have the top down today. Nice condition car. The factory leather seats are in good shape and comfortable. Turn signals are working. Very nice acceleration, crisp throttle response from this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Factory stereo in the dash. Sounding good. The AC is blowing ice cold right now. Cruise control functioning as it should. Nice low RPMs from this car at highway speed. Tight steering response. You've got tilt, which is always good to have. Smooth braking. Brakes working very well. Corners very nicely, nice and flat, and you can take the corners fast and stick to the road. Kickdown working well on that automatic transmission, and you definitely feel the torque when you put your foot down. 35th anniversary, 2002 Chevrolet Camaro. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.